my name is Sucharita. This is Film Companion. You're watching Not a Movie Review, and right now I'm not going to be reviewing Jolly LLB 2.
Go Pago.
Jolly LLB 2 is the story of Jagdish Mishra, urf Jolly, originally from Kanpur, now in Lucknow. He's struggling to be taken seriously as a lawyer, but his boss pays as much attention to him as you would to the gum stuck under your shoe. You know it's there, it's annoying, but you don't want to touch it. Trying various schemes to make thoda sa extra cash on the side, Jolly's one main aim in life is to get one sala lawyer chamber for himself. Hashtag main bhi lawyer. And in an attempt to do so, he takes a less than honorable way which leads to a truly horrific incident. अब उसकी लाइफ का एम हैज चेंज्ड टू राइट दिस रॉन्ग एंड गो अगेंस्ट द सिस्टम इफ नीड बी. भिड़ जाएगा जमाने से अगर बढ़ना है तो.
दीमक है जनाब, ये दीमक है. खोखला कर देगा सारे सिस्टम को और पता भी नहीं चलेगा. कुछ तो लिहाज करो मेरे माथुर साहब, कुछ तो लिहाज करो देश का.
Despite sounding like the most predictable story ever, Jolly LLB 2 is quite घुमावदार from here on out and keeps you hooked. What works in the movie's favor are the acting performances. Akshay Kumar, who apparently took only 30 days to shoot this film, is in top form. Moving from comic to sad to angry to perplexed with makhan malai ease in the most difficult of courtroom scenes. Also, he has Benjamin Buttonitis, or as in India we like to call it, Anil Kapoor syndrome of aging backwards. Anu Kapoor is here. He plays the ruthless and corrupt lawyer Pramod Mathur, who loves a good comeback more than most people love their parents.
पेप्सी और प्रमोद अपना फार्मूला बताते नहीं.
Our man here has a rate card for customers who come into his office, offering packages based on what they want the case's outcome to be. मतलब he is ready to go to any lengths to make sure the case proceeds in favor of his client. पूरी रात कोर्टरूम में धरने पे बैठने से नहीं चूकता ये आदमी. पर मजाल है जो हेयर स्टाइल खराब हो जाए सर का. Some scenes in the second half, तो अनु कपूर is so menacing. I'm like, ये acting कर रहे हैं कि है ही ऐसे?
इस चीज के ऊपर नहीं बोलेगा, इस चीज के ऊपर नहीं बोलेगा, इस चीज के ऊपर नहीं बोलेगा, इस चीज के ऊपर नहीं बोलेगा. का.
Or was he acting then? We might never know. The rest of the cast does what it's supposed to do. Kumud Mishra, who plays the worst cop ever produced in the history of mankind by the police force of the world combined, is such a dependable actor always. कि मतलब कुछ भी दे दो इनको करने के लिए, एक सुर इधर का उधर नहीं होगा. What an actor. Huma Qureshi is one of my absolute favorites and I really wish she had been written a better part. Poor Pushpa Pandey is just so is mostly around to add one flimsy layer to Jolly's character and has been given one tiny scene to showcase what she's about. When you watch the movie you'll know what scene it is because उसको एक ही दिया है. आप देखो आपको पता चल जाएगा. कमेंट करके बताना मुझे. Saurabh Shukla ji is reprising his national award winning role as Justice Sundar Lal Tripathi. He is hilarious as per usual, is seen dancing to Gulabo, has a weird obsession with Alia Bhatt. In a strange random scene, he's seen telling one of his nephews that Alia Bhatt is Mahesh Bhatt's biggest contribution to Indian cinema. Except Saransh, of course. What? But he's been made to do this awkward, yet adorable, yet strict, hard-ass judge act way too much. Over and over we see him join his hands in prayer and begging people to maintain discipline in his courtroom before entirely losing it. The novelty is lost within the first few times. Baar baar mat karao. That's the thing. The reason why I loved Jolly LLB so much was, despite it being a comedy and a similar underdog story, it was a cinematic satirical essay on the issues in our society because of the corrupt practices in our law and order systems. It was a narrative with whom I could identify, sympathize and laugh along with. Arshad Varsi's Jolly was not a hero. He was a bumbling fool for the most part, who for once in his life decided to stand up for something and saw that through till the end. Not to say Akshay Kumar's Jolly doesn't do that. He does, sure. But because this is Akshay Kumar, he's not just fighting the system, he's fighting terrorism. Is seen running through Kashmir ki wadiyan with fugitives, gets shot at, and yet finds it in himself to do a techno-holy song.
Go Pago.
Go figure! Jolly LLB 2 has an engaging story. It will keep you entertained throughout with laughs every couple of minutes, but that won't stop you from missing the rawness, the realness, heck, the griminess of the first film tremendously. Almost like someone told Subhash Kapoor कि पहली पिक्चर को नेशनल अवार्ड मिल गया, चलो अभी सीक्वल बनाएंगे. On a scale of 1 to 10, Jolly LLB 2 is 4 सीन कट किए थे ना सेंसर बोर्ड ने इस फिल्म में से. सिर्फ एक का पता चला. The rest were not even noticeable. क्यों टाइम वेस्ट करवाया फालतू? देखिए जाकर देख आइए Jolly LLB 2 because the other option is MSG, हिंद का नापाक को जवाब. I'm just saying. Subscribe to Film Companion and get your film fix.